Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we have solved 2nd of September Shift 2 JEE Main question number 18. It's a memory based question. If fx is equal to ln 1 plus x divide x for all x belongs to -1 to infinity and f0 is equal to 1, then fx is 4 options are given. This is the problem in the house of continuous function. At first our given function is fx is equal to ln 1 plus x divide x. Now differentiating this function f dash x, we get f dash x is equal to x square x into differentiating this one 1 by 1 plus x minus this constant ln 1 plus x into differentiating this 1, and it becomes now HCF is 1 plus x into x square, and this become x minus 1 plus x into ln 1 plus x. Now let this one is gx, another function. Gx is equal to x minus 1 plus x ln 1 plus x. Now differentiating this, we get again implies g dash x is equal to 1 minus ln 1 plus x, that is equal to ln minus of ln 1 plus x. Now two options are increasing, that if x lies between -1 infinity and f0 is equal to 1, it is given. So g dash x, if x g dash x, if x lies between -1 to 0, so g dash x is equal to then positive, and if x greater than 0, then g dash x become negative. So let's plot g of 0. Let's plot g of 0 as a function when it is shown g0 is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then x less than 0, then the curve become just like that, and if x greater than 0, then the curve become so it means it is roughly we draw the curve. It's mean that the function is firstly increasing, then decreasing. So this picture shows that this term is less or equal to 0. At first increasing, then decreasing, so this is less equal to 0. So we write f dash x is equal to, we know, x minus 1 plus x ln 1 plus x divide 1 plus x into x square. So this denominator is x square into 1 plus x. It is always positive, we know, it is always positive. So, and it is less or equal to 0, and also x minus 1 plus x ln 1 plus x also less or equal to 0. So we may say, we easily say that f dash x, f dash 0 less or equal to 0. That implies f x is always decreasing, always a decreasing function. So we reached, this is our required answer. Is the function, what is the type of the function? So fx is always a decreasing function, and our option is option 3. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.